In this video, I'll show you how to create multiple eBay listings at once with Zetlis. First, make sure your eBay account is connected. Next, choose the seller profile that best matches your products. Since this example contains different product categories, I'll use the miscellaneous profile. Now, click Upload Folder. As you can see, this folder contains multiple product folders. This is just an example. You can upload up to 50 product folders at a time. Click Upload, you'll now see every product that was imported. Personally, I recommend uploading around 10 to 15 products per batch. It makes the process easier to manage, and if you're interrupted for any reason, you'll have fewer products left to analyze. At the top, choose whether your products are new or pre-owned. If you select pre-owned, you'll be able to choose which products are used and which are new, so you can easily mix different conditions in the same batch. If you'd like to inspect the product, simply open it and review the photos. If there are any products you don't want to analyze, just uncheck them. At the bottom, you'll always see exactly how many products will be analyzed. Now click Analyze. The AI will process your products. This usually takes only a few seconds. Let's open the first listing. This product is children's clothing, so we'll choose the appropriate children's sizes and colors. For this example, we're creating a single listing with variations. Select the available sizes and colors, then enable variations. Enter your price and available quantity. Then click Apply to All if you'd like to use the same values for every variation. You can always add additional colors or sizes later. Now let's look at the titles. Zetlis generates 3 optimized title options using different keyword combinations. The dark blue keyword tags below each title show exactly which keywords were used. Choose the title you like best or edit it however you want. Remember that eBay allows a maximum of 80 characters. If you exceed the limit, Zetlis will display a warning in red. Now let's move to the description. The first section is generated by Zetlis using AI. The second section comes from your seller profile, so it will remain consistent across all products using the same profile. You can edit the description at any time. Zetlis also selects an eBay category automatically, but it's always a good idea to double check that it's correct. Since this listing uses variations, the price has already been entered. Next, enter a unique SKU. Every listing must have its own SKU or eBay won't accept it. Don't forget to enter the package weight before publishing. Now review the item specifics. Zetlis automatically fills in the required eBay fields, but you can edit or add any details before publishing. When everything looks good, click Send. There's no need to wait for the listing to finish publishing before moving on to the next product. While Zetlis is publishing in the background, you can already start editing another listing. Once a listing has been successfully submitted, it will automatically collapse. If it stays open, it usually means something needs your attention, such as a duplicate SKU or missing required information. If an error occurs, Zetlis will display a message in red explaining exactly what needs to be fixed. Now let's open another product. This time, Instead of creating one listing with variations, we'll create two separate listings for the same product. Simply choose the colors and sizes, but don't enable variations. When you publish, Zetlis will automatically create two independent eBay listings. Select and organize your photos just like before. Again, Zetlis generates three optimized title options. Review the description, confirm the eBay category, enter your price, SKU, package weight, and check the item specifics. Now, click Send. Notice that Zetlis says sending two listings because it's publishing two separate eBay listings. The process is exactly the same for the rest of your products. If you're listing shoes, simply switch to shoe sizes, choose the available sizes and colors, and create variations if needed. Select your photos, review the titles and description, check the item specifics, and publish. In this example, one listing contains 6 photos. If you remove one, you'll immediately see that only 5 photos will be published. Continue the same workflow for the remaining products. In this demonstration, we only published 3 listings, but that's just an example. With Zetlis, it's entirely possible to create 40 or even 50 eBay listings in about 30 minutes. Here are the finished listings on eBay, complete with photos, variations, sizes, colors, optimized titles, descriptions, and item specifics. you don't publish every listing right away, don't worry. You won't lose the AI analysis you've already paid for. Simply open the history page. Published listings appear in the published section. Listings that haven't been published yet are automatically saved as drafts. From there, you can reopen any draft, edit the photos, titles, descriptions, and details, then publish it directly to eBay whenever you're ready. Zetlis, because listing products shouldn't take longer than selling them.